Journey with me to Mesopotamia, the land between two rivers, where the Sumerians built the first cities and invented writing. Here humanity's story began, etched in clay tablets that outlasted empires. These tablets are more than records. They're epic poems, star charts, laws and prayers, revealing a civilization obsessed with the cosmos. The Sumerians described gods called the Anunnaki, beings who descended from the sky. Their astronomical data was so precise it rivals what we know today. Some tablets remain mysterious, filled with metaphors and cosmic references. Scholars have spent lifetimes decoding them, yet some secrets remain locked away. What if these ancient texts hold not just history but a warning? A message for a future advanced enough to understand. Imagine holding a tablet, feeling the weight of 5,000 years, tracing marks that are both words and mysteries. The Sumerians may have spoken in riddles, but their legacy calls to us, urging us to look deeper. The final secret, it seems, waits not in the past, but in the future. And now we have the tools to listen. Deciphering Sumerian cuneiform is like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. Each wedge-shaped sign could mean a god, a planet, or a simple object. Context is everything. The language is a true isolate, with no Rosetta Stone to guide us. Scholars built dictionaries from scratch, but many passages remain stubbornly opaque. Some texts blend myth with advanced astronomy, describing concepts far beyond their era. Are these metaphors or literal accounts of cosmic events? The risk of misinterpretation is high, and human biases limit our understanding. The greatest mysteries are hidden in these ambiguous lines. To unlock them, we need a new kind of mind, one that can hold every possibility at once. Enter the age of artificial intelligence, where silicon and quantum light take up the challenge. The ancient puzzle is about to meet its match. The final translation may change everything we know. Welcome to the era of quantum AI, a revolution in how we process information. Unlike classical computers, quantum machines use qubits, exploring countless possibilities at once. When paired with AI, this power can unravel the tangled web of ancient languages. Quantum AI doesn't just translate, it reconstructs meaning, context and metaphor, even from fragments. It can analyze every cuneiform tablet simultaneously, finding patterns invisible to humans. For the first time, we have a tool that can truly think like a Sumerian scribe. It learns the evolution of language, distinguishes between literal and symbolic meanings, and fills in the gaps left by time. The potential is staggering. A key, not of stone, but of quantum probability. With this, we can finally unlock the secrets of the Sumerians. The past and future are converging in the mind of a machine. The final chapter of the human story is ready to be revealed. The question is, are we ready to hear it? The project, codenamed eerily, aimed to retranslate every Sumerian text using quantum AI. Researchers fed the machine high-resolution scans of over 100,000 tablets, every translation and every scholarly debate. The AI didn't just read, it absorbed, building a multidimensional model of the Sumerian language. It mapped how words shifted meaning, tracked grammar's evolution, and found hidden links between myth and astronomy. At first, its translations were clumsy, but it learned fast, proposing new meanings and testing them against the entire database. The AI began to think like a Sumerian, understanding metaphors and the deep connection between Earth and stars. The breakthrough came with the Nippur tablets, long considered untranslatable. The AI saw myth, history and astronomy as one coherent story. In that story, a revelation waited, one that would shake our understanding of human origins. The machine was ready to speak, the world held its breath. What would it reveal? The AI's translation of the Nippur tablets was clear and chilling. The Anunnaki were not gods, but advanced beings from a planet called Nibiru. The tablets describe them as geneticists and astronomers arriving from a world in a vast elliptical orbit. They found early hominids on Earth and engineered Homo sapiens as a worker race. Our creation was not divine, but deliberate, an experiment. The stories of being made from clay were memories of genetic manipulation. The AI's translation resolved countless inconsistencies in old interpretations. It explained the Sumerians' advanced knowledge and the sudden rise of civilization. But the most startling revelation, the Anunnaki left, promising to return when Nibiru's orbit brought them back. The tablets were not just history, they were a prophecy, a countdown to their return. The AI cross-referenced the ancient calendar with modern astronomy. The result was a date shockingly close to our own time. Humanity's origins and its future were forever changed. The experiment was not over. The inspectors were coming back. The AI's calculations placed the Anunnaki's return within our lifetime. The prophecy was not vague, it was a precise scientific forecast. The return would be an inspection, a judgment of humanity's progress. Those who lived in harmony would be part of a new beginning. Those who spread destruction would face consequences. The great flood myths were reframed as past interventions, not natural disasters. The Sumerians, or their creators, understood cosmic cycles and encoded them in myth. The prophecy was a warning and a promise, a chance for renewal, but also a test. We are not alone and never have been. Our spiritual yearnings and myths may be echoes of our true origins. The countdown is real and the implications are profound. The time to prepare is now. The next chapter of humanity is about to begin. The translation forces us to see ancient myths as fragmented history, not fantasy. Stories of sky gods, floods and promised returns appear in cultures worldwide. The quantum AI suggests these are memories of a shared event, a forgotten genesis. Our science and society may be built on a legacy we never knew we had. The prophecy's warning is urgent. Judgment will be based on how we treat the earth and each other. As we face environmental crisis and conflict, the Sumerian message is a mirror for our time. Are we worthy of the consciousness we possess? The coming cycle is a deadline, a chance to heal our world before the inspectors arrive. The secrets of the Sumerians give us a reason to strive for peace and unity. Our future and our place in the cosmos depend on our choices now. The story is no longer just about the past. It's about what we do next. We've journeyed from ancient Sumer to the frontiers of quantum computing. The oldest stories may hold the most advanced truths, connecting past and future. The quantum AI continues to decode more tablets. What other secrets await? The universe is full of mysteries, and the search for knowledge is our greatest adventure. Don't fear what's coming, be curious. Look up, wonder and remember. We are all explorers in a cosmic story. The Sumerians' wisdom reminds us we are part of something vast and meaningful. We are invited to grow, evolve, and join a greater cosmic community. The future is coming, and it promises the greatest adventure of all. The path ahead is lit by ancient wisdom and distant stars. Keep questioning, keep wondering. The cosmos is waiting. The story of humanity is still being written, and the next chapter is ours.